Magnesium glycinate is a supplement that is on everybody's list. In fact, these days we don't usually have enough to serve the needs of our customers in the community pharmacy. But what is it about magnesium glycinate that is making everybody go gaga? And how is it different from other forms of magnesium? Today, we'll be taking a look at this wonderful supplement. Let's see if the hype around it is really worth it. Magnesium glycinate is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, ranging from your muscle and your nerve functions to energy production and mood regulation. But here's the thing, many are deficient without even knowing that they are deficient in magnesium. And these are some of the manifestations of deficiency in magnesium. 1. Fatigue. 2. Poor sleep. And 3. Anxiety. Another thing is this, magnesium comes in different forms. It comes as magnesium oxide, it comes as citrate, it comes as malate, it comes as chloride, it comes as sulfate, it comes as trisilicate. But what makes magnesium glycinate different from these other forms? Alright, let me share with you right now. Magnesium glycinate is actually bounded with an amino acid called glycine. Glycine has a calming property. These two combo makes magnesium highly absorbable in your system and gives it that calming effect, unlike other forms of magnesium. Like I said earlier, many people are queuing behind magnesium glycinate, and your question is this: why? Right now I'm going to be sharing some of the benefits from taking magnesium glycinate. 1, it strengthens your bone. 2, it helps to detoxify your liver. 3, it reduces stress and anxiety. 4, it improves your sleep quality. 5, it has a calming effect on your body. And lastly, it boosts brain health. Guys, you've seen it. I've given you reasons why people are actually queuing behind this supplement. It's the number one talk of the town. So the question right now is, should you jump on the magnesium glycinate train? Now that depends. You should always consult your pharmacist or your doctor before venturing into such, just in case you have some other medication that you're using, or probably you have kidney issues. All right guys, I've come to the end of today's talk. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, as I will be bringing you more health tips in the days and weeks to come.